Wilmar, actually in the Burdekin region, we have 4 sugar mills. So we look after the transport operations from bringing the cane from the farms back into the factory through to crushing the cane and making sugar. Within the factories, we use a lot of control systems and diagnostic equipment to help our operational performance and our plant reliability. And from our engineering support teams, technology's also changed that considerably with things like our design drafting and our engineering teams and how they apply the technology to make the I suppose, new equipment and our installations better. Our design team would start with a 3D model now, probably a 3D scan of the area. So we use a lot of technology in that zone because we have more online information and data available, so we're making better decisions by using the technology and the equipment. It's actually surprising people that come from other industries to the sugar industry that are quite surprised sometimes at how much technology we apply.
Currently I'm on my 3rd apprenticeship. I was a greenkeeper first for 11 years and then I did my electrical here at Wilmar, and since then they've put me on to instrumentation as well. When I started I didn't know there was that much involved in it, but now going through the mill and seeing all the automation, and it's not just lights and fans and stuff like that, so yeah, there's a lot to it. It'll open so many more doors. It's not just being electrical wise. You can go into programming, drafting, all sorts of different fields, even management. You know, you just don't become an electrician and stay there if you don't want to. Working here is very safe. They're very strong in their safety. There's always accountability. So it's not just looking after yourself, it's looking after your workmates as well.